Greetings, brethren. Um, to some of our old school Baptist brethren who are not too computer savvy, I think they've commented occasionally at times that the website for Welsh Tract publications is not actually clear or easy to use. One dear brother said to me that, he was reading an article one day and the next day when he went to the website, the article was gone. It was no longer at the top. And that's totally true because we update the website with one new article every day. So how do you find things on the website? I don't know if I did a video on this before or not, but if I haven't, I'm going to make one now very clearly. So if you go to the website, welshtractpublications.blogspot.com, you will see this on Edge. I'm using Windows Edge. And as you look at the articles, if you click on any of the headings, it'll take you to that entire article that you can read. Now hit the back button. You're back to the main page. You'll see that there's a new edition on the right side, Welsh Tract Publications Kindle ebooks, and you see it's a growing list. We'll be adding as new things come out to it. And if you click on any of them, let's just see this one. It'll take you to the Amazon page where you can purchase the book. Okay, and so this gives you an idea. So let's hit the back button again. That should take you back to the website. So you'll see the works on the right side. But here's the part that intimidates most people. If you keep going down here, you'll see index, and you see all kinds of topics. Very intimidating. They're classified in alphabetical order, but that's not totally helpful at times, depending on what you're looking for. So you'll see that it stretches forever. How do you find it? Well, let's just see you're looking for a subject. Like, for instance, you hit on the Edge the Control key F, and that's a find key. So you type, let's say you want to see everything by Elder Poole, James Poole. Well, you just type his last name, Poole, and you have, if you hit enter, you'll see highlighted here, Elder James Poole. That's an index or a hashtag, what's called now, to all of the articles that are by him or somehow relate to him. So if you click on that button, there'll be 15 of them. And you'll see, it says showing posts with label Elder James Poole. And here you go. That's discussing, that's an article by him from The Remnant. Another one on conditionalism, so forth. Okay? And there you go. You can go right on it. All right? Now, you search by author of the article. Okay? So there are 15 of them if you keep scrolling down. Now, how do you get back out of this? Okay, what you do is, and by the way, you see older posts? If you click on that, it should be even more articles. There's nothing more by Elder Poole. Okay, so you see where it says show all posts? If you click on that, it takes you back to the main page as it is found today. Now, let's say you're looking for something else. Elder Odell found an article by Poole on exhortations. Now, that's more specific. So, again, if you hit the Command F and you type in exhortation, there you go, correct it. Or put an S to it, you'll see there's one article there, okay? And all you do is hit return, and there's highlighted the article, exhortations. There's actually 3. Let's click on them. And now it'll take you, it says showing posts with label exhortations. There you have it. We probably used to have a French audience, we still do, but we thought it'd make it easier for them by taking the English article and translating it into French. But if you keep going, there's the same article right below it, okay? And you don't know who wrote it. Well, you see at the bottom it says Elder David Bartley. That's an article by him. And then a few observations on Bible exhortations. Who wrote that? Elder James Poole. And if you click on that article, it'll take you right to it. Click on the title, and there you have it. Okay, now let's hit the back button. So that's one way to find topics or people or things like that on this amazing index. You don't have to go through and read it. You just do a search for a topic or an author, and it'll find it. Okay, now there's another way to find things on this website. Let's first go to show all posts. So we go to home. If you go up to the top, it'll say show all posts. And there you have it. Okay. Now, if you go down here, there's a find situation. You'll see. You see where it says search this blog? You can find, type in exhortations. It'll search through all the articles. Hit return, do it, and then it'll find. Let's see what it finds. Showing posts sorted by relevance for query exhortations, and there you go. Poole's article appears. Another one appears by Elder William J. Purrington, and then the one in French by Elder David Bartley. Yes, in French, and then you have Elder Gilbert Beebe mentions exhortations, okay? And there you have it. Underlying, some of these articles deal with the concept of exhortations because when you search this way, it looks through all the articles to see if it finds any that have the word exhortations in them. It's different from the index where somebody put a hashtag, me, labeled exhortations. So it's more focused on that topic. But this traces anywhere where exhortations happen. It's amazing that in the 1,096 articles that we've posted since 2017, it can search instantly for that word in all places. Okay? Now, again, if you want to go back and you hit show all posts, and now you're back to the regular page as it would appear this morning or today. Now, that's one way. I hope you don't feel intimidated by using the web browser for this. Another thing you can do, if you find an article that you like, you can bookmark it. So let's say this one. I'm randomly picking one. What do you do? Well, here, let's see if it's true. If you right click, do we see bookmark? No. There must be something on the web of, let's see, collections. Yes, see the little star? Right there. Add this page to favorites. That's a bookmark. So you click it, and then it'll show you, and you can pick any kind of folder for bookmarks that you wish. Okay? And now it goes to the favorite by default, the favorite folder, but you will be able to find that article again. All right. So anyway, I just wanted to show you the power of this, and this is a great tool. Some people experience problems with it. I'm able to find whatever I'm looking for very quickly. Okay. There is another way to more easily search this. You see, when you're using a browser, you're locked into likely a laptop computer or a desktop computer. But what if you're not near your computer, or what if your computer's packed up and you don't have it? Well, there's another option, which I think is even better than this website, and that is ebooks. Now, if you will notice that if we go to Amazon and click on here, I've already selected it. How did I find it? I selected Welsh Tract Publications in the search bar of Amazon, and here's the series, 4 books so far. They include by year every article that's been posted on the website, except that when you look at them, you can quickly find them, and you can do things on this ebook, Kindle ebook, that you can't do on the website very easily. For instance, you can't easily highlight a passage that you find interesting on the website. It can be done, but you have to have an extension to Edge that does that. It's a little more involved to install it and so forth. But in reality, on an ebook, it's completely easy to do. All right. Now that's a separate lesson. I think I've had something on using ebooks, and I'll try to link those two videos together. But my recommendation is these books are relatively inexpensive. This one, well, $2.99 a piece. If you have Kindle Unlimited, it's free to read. So that's not a lot of money, but at the same time gives you tremendous power. You can make comments on the margin that will be saved on all your devices where the Kindle app has been installed. This is far beyond a website's ability. You can do searches precisely. You can do searches by authors, whatever you want, and it'll do it instantly. And you can read it on your phone, on your laptop, on your tablet. And the one thing that's easy to do is the Kindle app remembers where you left off reading. So if you quit the Kindle app and you go to something else, when you open that book again in the Kindle app, it'll show you where you left off. Do you want to continue from here? You can say yes or no, and it picks up. And this information is stored on all your Kindle app devices. So, brethren, I hope that you'll take advantage of this. I published it. I made these ebooks just for the purpose of people being able to quickly access information. Welsh Tract Publications is only about one thing: proclaiming the old school Baptist gospel as we love it and know it to as wide an audience as possible for as cheap as possible. So I hope that this has been a helpful tutorial on how to use this website. May the Lord bless all of you.